Hey YouTube, this is Brendan with Cusack Prep, and in this video we're going to be discussing how you can solve a quadratic equation that's in vertex form. So vertex form is something that looks like this. You have a times x minus h squared plus k. The key to knowing that it's vertex form is that you only have x inside of a square with something being added to it. When it's in vertex form, it's important that you recognize that because you can solve the problem more quickly than you might be inclined to do. So let's go through an example. So let's say I gave you the equation 2 times x plus 3 squared minus 50 equals 0. So if you recognize that it's in vertex form, you just want to solve outright for x. Don't FOIL this, don't distribute the 2. You can, it's fine, it just takes longer, so I wouldn't do it. Instead, what you want to do is just try to get x alone. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add 50. Then I'm going to divide by 2. Then I'm going to take the square root of both sides. And it's key to remember that when you take the square root of both sides, that you have to write plus or minus 5. So the square root of 25 is 5, but it's also negative 5 when you take the square root of both sides. Now, a lot of times people like to go ahead and split this up into two separate equations. So we could write x plus 3 is equal to 5, and we could write x plus 3 is equal to negative 5. So subtracting 3 from both sides, we would have x is equal to 2, and we would have x is equal to negative 8. And that's the easiest way to solve an equation that's provided in vertex form. Just make sure you remember the plus or minus when you take the square root, and you should be okay. Thanks for watching.